I am thrilled to welcome you all here on such short notice. It's really a momentous occasion. Lorain County Community College has just been approved now as one of 3 community colleges in the state of Ohio to deliver the applied bachelor's degree. And we're the only community college to deliver one in the area of manufacturing. And specifically, it's microelectronic manufacturing.
Microelectronics, small-scale electronics. It's fantastic. It really is. LCC listens, and we responded first with microelectronic manufacturing, a bachelor's degree that's entirely based on the needs of the local industry.
Innovation is certainly no stranger to Lorain County Community College, and this is another example of that.
In workforce development, in entrepreneurship, which you are all about, and in innovation, it's partner or perish. And you have done that every day of the year since you've been in business, I think.
This degree is really actually even more exciting because this provides another piece in the pipeline that we're trying to build that will facilitate the movement of students from education into industry. And this is a really, really important part of providing the talent that these companies need.
Here, in my hand, I hold what's called a printed circuit board, a PCB. This is manufactured by United Circuits in Grafton, Ohio. If you were to look really carefully at this printed circuit board, you'd see lots and lots of electronic drawing, artwork, layouts, and places where electronic parts can be connected. When they get connected, it looks like this. This is the internal electronic parts of a medical tablet. This is manufactured by a company in LaGrange called Vexos. In Vexos, they put all sorts of electronic chips and components onto the circuit board. There are little tiny chip components that are manufactured by Smart Microsystems here within this building, all right? And then this company out in Oberlin by the name of Synapse Biomedical designed this so that they could connect it up to their sensors for detecting Lou Gehrig's disease and ALS.
AACC represents over 1,100 community colleges across the country, and I know Lorain is and will continue to be at the top of those colleges that other colleges look to advance their workforce and economic development agendas.
So what is this all about?
The bachelor's degree program for me is life-changing. It means a lot to me. It means that I am going to be able to get a secure career in a field that is growing, and I am going to be able to support myself and my daughter. It's never going to happen to me again in my life. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for me.
This is my first time at Lorain County Community College, and I must say you guys make quite the entrance.
We are LCCC proud that Ohio joins the 20 other states that offer applied bachelor's degrees by community colleges. So we are once again making history for the innovations directly needed for our region. So congratulations, our hats off to all of you.